Hi guys, welcome in Moalboal. As you can see, my drone is living its best life. What a view over what beach. I think I spent 3 days there. I went for some waterfalls and canyons in the mountains. Fun fact, it was the first time I was driving a motorbike by myself. Well, more than 100 kilometers for the first day isn't too bad, I guess. This is the starting point of a canyoning barely everyone do. Too touristic for me that day. I decided not to take part of it, but go for some more local experiments. After some off-road, I found what I needed, what I was looking for.
Come on, jump. No? No jumping? Yeah.
I also dive into the Sardines runs. I tried in snorkeling, which was nice, but then I find a dive shop which proposed to dive for 20 euros. And I was alone with a dive master. I could stay hours watching those sardines. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me some support. Ciao ciao!